Okay guys, my Galaxy S26 Ultra showed up yesterday, but I was at work, so doing my unboxing today. Just going to be a quick one. As you can see, I also got the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, but we will unbox them on a different day. You guys know I like my Galaxy Buds, so I had skipped the 3 and now I've got the 4. So let's check out the Galaxy S26 Ultra.
Alright, let's do it.
You don't need the knife, I don't think. As you can see, I got it in white. I hadn't had a white phone in quite a number of years, so I thought, alright, let's get a white one. And of course, I'll be putting a case on it anyway. There's our SIM tool, and of course our usual paperwork. Okay, peel it off. I don't know if you guys could hear that. It's very pristine and white. You can see the Samsung logo down there. I think you can see it. At least if you get at the right angle, you can see it. And you can see our camera array here. And like I told you guys before, I hadn't had the Ultra since the S23, so I just figured I was about due. So you can see our volume up and down, our power button, antenna, I guess. Nothing on the left side. On the bottom, our USB Type-C in, our SIM tray, and our speaker. So let's see if we have some power. It took a minute. Alright guys, I'm going to get this set up and I'll get back to you. Okay guys, we're all set up. I believe everything's been copied. I've got my favorite launcher on it, which is Lawn Chair. And I just have to copy a few more custom ringtones. That's it. Just wanted to give you a quick unboxing, let you see the phone. So I'll put a link in the description. As always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like my content, please share the videos with friends, family, or whomever you think might be interested. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos that I upload. And please hit the thumbs up, as it does help with the algorithm.
Yeah.